solution centric. So basically we wanted to combine a few things with that, and I think it hits it. It's positive, maintaining upbeat attitudes when dealing with roadblocks and obstacles, and that's how you overcome them. Like, it's, oh shit, this happened today, what the fuck. It's like, instead of that, it's okay, this happened today, let's now fix that. There's no reason to be negative about it. So having a solution centric organization and outlook on everything, whether it's an annoying email or a bad result on something, being solution centric at all times. You have to be upbeat, you have to be positive, you have to be optimistic, you have to be a solution maker to be solution centric. And I think that really we did a good job encompassing multiple things with that one term, solution centric.
That's huge. And that obviously is external with clients and internal within our own organization.
Exactly. Yeah, and that's what we want this to be, like something that our employees, our team, the Namra team as a whole can, like, they know that's the expectation now. And our clients, we want them to know that too.